Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you're like me, you're always trying to find fun, entertaining things for your kids to do that are not on screen, but that can be a huge challenge. That's why I like this nice robot number block set by LINAYE. What is so cool about this is there are 12 individual sets in here. So each little set is its own bag, and there is a set of A instructions, which will design a number or a math sign. Or you can follow B directions, and that will give you a cute little robot. This is for age 6 and up. It's a nice little thing for your kids to do when you don't have a lot of time or if they are not good at focusing for a long period of time. And once your kid gets very good at building these, you can take all 12 sets and build this big robot right here with all 12 sets. Because these are individual sets, they would also be really nice if you're a teacher or having a kids party. Each kid can have their own little take-home robot. My 12-year-old really enjoyed building these, and our 4-year-old, she's not quite old enough to figure out how to do it by herself, but she is very helpful at helping me find the pieces I need for each step. So if you're looking for a nice STEM activity for your kids, I highly recommend this set, but that's just my point of view.